Welcome to our guide on how to make text bigger on Snapchat. Text size can change your Snap game, making your messages more impactful and fun. First, let's open the Snapchat app. Tap on the app icon, and you'll be immediately greeted by the camera screen. Now, take a photo or record a short video. Tap the circular button at the bottom of the screen to capture your moment. After capturing your media, you'll see a variety of icons on the right side. Tap the T icon to open the text tool. Now, it's time to type your message. Use your keyboard to type whatever you want to say. To make your text bigger, use the pinch to zoom gesture. Place 2 fingers on your screen and move them apart. Snapchat also offers other text options. You can change the color and style of your text to match your vibe. Next, drag your text to position it just where you want. Make sure it's easy to read. Finally, hit the save icon to keep your snap with the newly adjusted text size. You're all set. And that's it. Experiment with different text sizes and styles to make your snap stand out. Have fun!